So, you've got a friend, family member, or maybe even a total stranger who's trying to send you money through Chime, right? But here's the kicker, you don't have a Chime account. Sounds like a bit of a pickle, doesn't it? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a question I get asked all the time, and today, we're going to sort it out. Let's break it down. Chime is a popular banking app that allows users to send and receive money instantly. It's great for splitting bills, paying back loans, or even just sending a little cash to a friend. But what happens when you're on the receiving end and don't have a Chime account? Can you still get your money? The short answer is yes. But there are a few things you need to know. First off, when someone sends you money through Chime, you will receive a notification. This could be a text message, an email, or even a pop-up on your phone if you have the Chime app. The notification will contain a link to claim your money. Click on that link, and you'll be taken to a page where you have two options. Option number 1, open a Chime account. If you're interested in joining the Chime community, this might be a good option for you. It's a relatively easy process, and once your account is open, you can instantly access the money that was sent to you. Plus, you'll get all the benefits of being a Chime member, like fee-free overdraft protection and early paycheck access. But let's say opening a Chime account isn't your thing. No worries. That's where option number 2 comes in. You can claim your money without a Chime account by entering your debit card information. It's important to note that this debit card must be issued in the United States. Once you enter your card details, the money will be transferred to your account. Easy peasy, right? However, there's a catch. You only have a limited amount of time to claim your money. Usually, it's around 14 days. After that, the money will be returned to the sender. So, make sure to act quickly. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure you trust the person sending you money. There have been cases of scams where people try to trick others into giving out their debit card information. Always be cautious and verify the sender's identity before entering any sensitive information. Second, be aware of potential fees. While Chime itself doesn't charge fees for sending or receiving money, your bank might. Some banks charge fees for incoming transfers, so it's worth checking with your bank to see if there are any charges associated with receiving money from Chime. And finally, remember that claiming money without a Chime account might not be as convenient as having one. If you frequently receive money from people who use Chime, it might be worth considering opening an account to simplify the process. So, there you have it. You can absolutely receive money from Chime even if you don't have an account. While it might involve a few extra steps, it's definitely possible. Just remember to act quickly and be cautious. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.